Welcome back, folks. Today on Product Critique, we're diving into the world of cable management with a product that's been making waves in the market. Say hello to the cable zip ties by HaveMe, the ultimate solution for all your bundling needs. These cable zip ties are a game changer, offering unparalleled versatility and durability. With a whopping 400-pack assortment, including sizes ranging from 4 to 12 inches, you'll never find yourself short on options again. What sets these zip ties apart is their self-locking design. No more fumbling with loose ends or struggling to keep your cables in place. These bad boys lock tight, ensuring a secure hold every time. But don't just take my word for it. With over 14,000 ratings and an impressive 4.4-star average on Amazon, it's clear that customers are loving the convenience and reliability of these cable ties. Let's talk about the features. Made from high-quality nylon and plastic, these zip ties are built to last. They're not only weather-resistant but also UV-resistant, making them perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're organizing electrical wires, securing bike accessories, or even tidying up your garden, these cable ties have got you covered. Plus, with a wide range of sizes and a generous loop tensile strength, you can tackle any project with ease. And the best part? The value for money is unbeatable. At just $5.99 for a 400-piece set, you'll be hard-pressed to find a better deal anywhere else. So there you have it, folks. If you're tired of dealing with tangled wires and messy cables, it's time to upgrade to the cable zip ties by HaveMe. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy organizing.